Cornmeal porridge, guys. Let's get into it. In a pot, I've got some boiling water with cinnamon leaves and a tip of salt. Then I had some cold water with 1 spoon of plain flour with 2 cups of cornmeal. I also add a quarter block of coconut cream. Then mix thoroughly just to make sure that there's no lumps while it's boiling. Later on, I leave it to when it gets to the boiling point, I cover it and let it cook for about 40 minutes. Later, after it's finished, I add my cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and rose almond. I sweeten it with some condensed milk, and I think I use about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then I add a little bit of the outside of the nutmeg. That's make it really tasty. Guys, I'll leave everything in my description. Like, share, and subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.